To create a bit.ly link for WhatsApp, we need to have a Keep Notes from Google or a Notes from iOS users. Click on it. Then, I will type a URL from WhatsApp. And then after that, you will put your WhatsApp number in the correct international format. But you'll need to remove any special characters like plus signs or dashes, like this number of mine. After that, you copy it and then exit to the Keep Notes and go to bit.ly. Inside the bit.ly, you'll see a blue bottom plus sign. Click on it and then paste the URL you copy from the Google Notes. Then click the shorten link. After that, the link will show up. And that's all. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel.